G'day and welcome to MW Laser. If this is the first time on my channel, let me tell you that here you'll find videos and tutorials for the CO2 laser, the software and the related equipment. So hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to be notified when I release new videos in the future. Now wow, 2020 has been a crazy year, a bit of a challenging year with the pandemic and the restrictions that we've had, but things are starting to look brighter for the future. I'd like to thank my YouTube subscribers for their support over this past year, as well as my technical support team from CloudRay Laser, Ruida Technology and LeadShine. Now, a lot of the information that I present is quite technical, and a lot of that I do get checked with those support guys, and they've been fantastic in helping me out. Now, I've enjoyed this past year providing support to so many of my viewers all over the world, and been able to converse with them by Skype, email, video chats via WhatsApp and Facebook, and also here in person here in Australia. Now, I hope to continue to provide you with relevant and useful content in 2021. Some of that content will involve this new machine that I've received from CloudRay Laser, which is a 1300 by 900 machine with a 130 watt CO2 laser tube. It's using the new Ruida RDC 6432G controller, and so far I've been using this for a few months now, and it's been a fantastic machine. So I hope to present some more information on this machine in the new year. I wish everyone a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, and until next time, take care. Cheers.